Assalamu alaikum and good morning. So first of all, I'm going to report about normal distribution. So what it means, the normal distribution? So this. The normal distribution is a type of continuous probability distribution for a real-valued random variable. The general form of its probability density function is normal distribution. So, normal distribution, probability density. So, itong pula, ang tawag dito is the red curve in the standard normal distribution. So, cumulative distribution function. Frequency distribution and histographs. A frequency distribution shows often each different value in a set of data occurs. A histogram is the most commonly used graph to show frequency distribution. It looks very much like a bar chart, but there are important differences between them. So, ito yun siya. So, ito yung histogram. Bar chart. Ito yung tinatawag na bar chart. So, the different types of frequency distribution. So, ito yung the different types of frequency distribution. First, ungroup frequency distribution. Second, group frequency distribution. Third, cumulative frequency distribution. And the fourth, relative frequency distribution. So, ito yung the different types of frequency distribution. Normal distribution and the empirical rule. The empirical rule is a shorthand used to remember the percentage of values that lie within an interval estimate in a normal distribution. So, empirical rule is the percentage of values. 68%, 25%, and 99.7% of the values. So, the next is the properties of a normal distribution. First, the graph is symmetric about a vertical line through the mean of the distribution. Second, the mean, median, and mode are equal. Third, the y-value of each point of the curve is the percent expressed as a decimal of theta at the corresponding x-value. Fourth, areas under the curve that are symmetric about the mean are equal. And the fifth, the total area under the curve is 1. So, ito is the properties of a normal distribution. Empirical rule for a normal distribution. First, 68% of data lie within a one standard deviation of the mean. Second, 95% of data lie within two standard deviation of the mean. And the third, 99.7% of data lie within the three standard deviation of the mean. So, ito yun siya, a normal distribution. So, sa gilid niya is 2.35%. Mean niya is 15.5%, then 34%. So, data niya is 68 of data. Itong 15.5 95% of data, 99.7% of data, yung 2.35.
Hi everyone, good morning. I am Nala Daud Edsa, and now I'm gonna discuss about the standard score or a Z-score. But before that, let us know what is standard score or a Z-score. The standard score, or more commonly referred to as a Z-score, is a very useful statistic because it allows us to calculate the probability of a score occurring within our normal distribution and enables us to compare two scores that are from different normal distribution. And here's the formula. And now, to be able to determine the Z-scores is meron tayong tinatawag na Z-table. And yung Z-table is nanggaling dito sa ating normal term. So, ito yung ating normal term. So, ito yung ating mean. And yung negative values ng Z is nasa left part. And yung positive naman is nasa right side. So, ngayon is gagawa tayo ng example. In statistic, the mean grade is 78 and the standard deviation is 10. Find the following. The first example is the corresponding Z-score of two students whose grade are 90 and 60 respectively. Kasi ang given naman dyan sa ating example number 1 are the mean and the standard deviation. So example, Z is equals to X minus mean all over the sigma. So, yung mean natin is 78 and the sigma is 10. So, yung X is yan yung score ng student na 90 or 60. So, ang kulang na lang is yung Z-score. So, yun yung i-compute natin. So, using our formula, if X is equals to 90, yung score ng student, then 90 minus yung mean na 78 all over the sigma na 10. Then, ma-minus natin 90 minus 78 is equals to 12 all over the sigma pa rin. Then, the last is 12 divided by 10 is equals to 1.2. So, ito yung Z-score ng student na may score na 90. Another example naman is yung student na may score na 60. So, ganun pa rin. Example, Z is equals to X minus mean all over the sigma. So, if X is equals to 60, then 60 minus yung mean natin na 78 all over the sigma na 10, tapos ima-minus natin 60 minus 78. Pero dahil mas mababa siya kesa sa mean, so magiging negative yung result. So, 60 minus 78 is equals to negative 18. Then, all over the sigma pa rin na 10. And the last is, i-divide natin siya. So, negative 18 divided by 10 is equals to 1.8. So, ito yung result ng student na may score na 60. And sa pangalawang example naman natin is so ngayon, sa number 2 example natin is kabaliktaran naman nung number 1 example. Kung yung first is hinanap natin yung Z-score ng student, ito naman is hahanapin natin yung score nila or yung X. So, same pa din naman nung formula, ganyan pa din. Yung mean is 78 and yung sigma is 10 pa rin. So, example, if Z is equals to 0.7. Then 0.7 equals to x, yung hinahanap natin. Then minus the mean, 78, all over the 10. Then, to solving the x by the cross multiplication, 0.7 times 10 is equals to 7. Equals yung x pa rin, then minus 78. Then transpose the 78 to other side. So 7 plus 78 is equals to 85. So ito na yung result.